Hello and welcome to Box, where we review, unbox and demo the latest tech. Today we have our hands on the 2021 Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. As the latest in the range, it's sporting a powerful combination of a GeForce RTX 30 series graphics card along with the AMD Ryzen 7 processor, making this version one of the strongest contenders in the series so far. Quickly becoming known as the hottest budget gaming laptop of the year, this simple device packs a lot of tech for the ultimate on-the-go gaming and everyday laptop. So what makes this laptop so desirable? So it has a matte black colouring all around with a sleek, subtle line element on the back. Acer have listened to the feedback here, toning down the red accents in favour of a single muted red streak on the back. So in terms of weight, it's not the lightest, but for gaming purposes, it's really worth it for the amount of beneficial software that it accommodates, such as the dual cooling fans and a decent battery. The overall look doesn't give off the usual gaming laptop vibe. It's disguising its prominent use enough to easily blend in with any environment, whether that be at work, home or school. In terms of helpful LEDs, we only have two within direct eye line of the screen. On the back bar, you'll find a battery indicator that utilises the usual orange warning light when the battery is low, as well as the power indicator letting you know that the laptop's asleep or awake. So along the left side of the laptop, we have the RJ45 network socket, two USB 3.2s and an audio jack. Along the right, we have a full-size HDMI 2.1 port, an additional USB 3.2 with power-off charging, and finally a fast USB Type-C 3.2. As for the keyboard, it's simple and streamlined with quiet keys, though if you want to make things a little more interesting, it's equipped with the NitroSense 4-zone RGB keyboard with customizable colour combinations. The keyboard backlight is subtle enough for everyday use, and I thought it was really great in low light conditions, as it didn't offer too much distractions. Of course, as this is a gaming laptop, Acer has the user in mind, highlighting the WASD and directional keys for easy location when in-game. And if you're a touchpad user, you'll be glad to know that the touch sensitivity and smooth surface movement makes effortless work when navigating apps and browsing the internet. The touchpad has the usual tap and click options, and it's simple to use and highly responsive, I found, even after a few hours of gameplay. One of my favourite parts about this redesign is the positioning of the charging port. Finding that they had moved it to the back as opposed to the side, I find really makes a difference. Whether using the laptop on a table or on your lap, having a cable trailing down the side often causes tangles or disconnections and overall feels cumbersome to me. So I find having it around the back really keeps it out of the way, leaving the freedom to sit notebooks, tablets, phones, anything you like beside the keyboard without interfering with the wires. I found that one of the shining features of the Nitro 5 is its brilliant smart fan systems. The dual fans are located on the underside of the machine, sitting in the top corners at the rear with ample ventilation points to ensure that the laptop remains cool. Taking a look at the back, we can see two large vents adorned with a subtle red strip to fully support the Cool Boost system for optimum performance. In terms of the screen size, it has a generous 17.3-inch display size, which has plenty of room for navigation and switching up apps. So the display sits at a general 1920 by 1080, and it's the perfect size for gaming and using creative programs while also offering plenty of screen space for everyday internet browsing, emails and office work. The LCD display is in full HD, and as you can see, the quality is sharp and clear. One of the great features about this laptop is the Windows HD Color and HDR capabilities. I feel that it really brings your gaming to life and gives video that extra sharp quality. The screen hinge has a decent extension of about 150 degrees. It allows for the perfect positioning to reduce any glare and allows you to keep your eye line at a comfortable angle. So with the growing popularity of video calls, having a webcam is essential. Though the quality only performs at a maximum 720p resolution, the image is clean, it's not too over or underexposed, and it's accompanied with an inbuilt microphone, so you can take calls no matter where you are. So the sound output is relatively decent. It has dual 2W speakers and a DTS:X Ultra 360 spatial sound effect. This feature works great when pinpointing in-game sound, such as your teammates' movements within a game, for better accuracy and enhanced gameplay. So now let's get down to the important parts of a gaming laptop, the specs. Acer has gifted this edition with the best Nvidia tech, using the GeForce RTX 3060 to bring you amazing realistic rendering, allowing you to play the latest titles as they were meant to be seen. The Nitro 5 has that all-important 144Hz refresh rate, making all movements smooth and precise with zero lag. I find that the colours shine brilliantly throughout, especially when gaming, making it easy to immerse myself into the game world. What seals the deal for the Nitro 5 for me is the 8-core processor, offering the smooth running speeds and power that helps the laptop perform to its best abilities while gaming without slowing down. The Nitro 5 has little problem running editing software here. It utilises the 16GB RAM alongside the Ryzen 7 processor. This model we're reviewing comes with a 512GB SSD, but you'll be happy to know that it can easily be expanded by either installing additional drives internally with the hard drive upgrade cable included, or simply attaching an external hard drive using one of the USB or USB Type-C ports. As with some of the higher performance games, the fan will have to work extra hard to keep the system cool, but with the NitroSense fan system, you can monitor temperatures and adjust accordingly to help balance the CPU and GPU together to maintain optimum play performance. With light gameplay and general use, the average battery lifespan can go up to 9 hours, though this will vary when playing high performance games for long periods of time. After playing for a few hours, the battery life held up well on its own, and of course the laptop does come with an AC power cable to keep you going as long as you need. Overall, this laptop has a lot to offer when it comes to satisfying both gaming needs and general use. It's brilliantly camouflaged to pose as a regular laptop while housing some decently powerful gaming specs. I feel that it caters to high performance gaming with adaptable fan settings, and along with an above average graphics card and RAM for your standard notebook, and a superb display quality, I feel it makes gaming effortless for a portable device. So what are your thoughts on the Acer Nitro 5 2021 edition? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe as we can keep you up to date with the latest tech.